In this video, we will see how to edit the footer in WordPress. Let's get started. Here is the WordPress website. Let's go to the WordPress website dashboard. First of all, I will add a menu. Let's go to the Appearance section. And then click on Menus. Here, write the menu name. Click on the Create menu. Our menu is created. Now let's add custom links to our menu. Here enter the URL. And here link text. Click on Add to Menu. You can add more links as you require. Click on the Save menu. Now, go to the Customize section. Here you can customize your website theme colors and fonts, header, general, posts and pages layout, search results, and many more. I will go with the footer option. Here you can see 3 footer rows. Click over here. Add widget 1. Click on this gear icon. On the left side, you can see a section is open. If you click on this plus icon, you can see an open section. Let's choose a heading. Enter heading text. Press Enter. Now, add a paragraph block. Enter text here. You can adjust text alignment. Move to the widget area. You can bold text or italicize. Add a link to your text from here. I will enter the Google URL here. You can choose according to your needs. From this arrow icon, you can explore the highlight effect, inline code option, inline image, keyboard input, language, strike-through, subscript, and subscript. You see more settings from these 3 vertical dots, like copy text, duplicate, add before section, or after, copy styles and paste it. Group sections, or lock not to change. Move to another section, edit HTML, or delete something from here. Here, add widget 2. Click on this gear icon. Here I will add an address. First, click on this plus icon and add a heading. Enter heading text. Enter office address. Phone number. And email. Click on this plus icon. You can also add social media icons here. Click on the Facebook icon. Enter your Facebook profile link and click on this arrow. You can see my Facebook link is added. In this way, you can add more links to your website footer. Now, let's add the widget. Click on this gear icon. Go over here and click on this plus icon. Search the navigation menu. Select this one. Enter menu title. Select menu. Menu is here. Let's see a preview of the footer. All 3 widgets are added. Now let's explore more settings. Click over this footer gear icon. In General Settings, you can choose columns. In Layout, you can change the footer row layout. If you go down here, you can adjust column spacing. Widget spacing. Top spacing. Bottom spacing, and minimum height. You can choose a hover link style from this drop-down. In Design, you can change widget titles, widget content, and link colors. In the top row background, you can change the footer background color. In the copyright widget, you can change the year. Website title. And remove them from credit. This is how you can edit the footer in WordPress. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.